tu result. Ngojeni tu mtaona, tunataka tuonyeshe kazi mtaona. Kila kitu akiinstall mtaona tu kazi safi na najua mtakuwa proud. Acha tuanze sasa wamekaa.
Are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind?
Hey lovelies, so we are installing a wallpaper here. Na hii wallpaper inakuanga 10 meters by 0.53 and it uses glue, which is powder glue, but now they have to mix it with some water to make a paste for it. Na hii paste ni glue moja, and one glue covers 5 rolls. Imagine 5 rolls na ni 450. And another thing is we have wallpapers on sale. Tuko na za 700, tuko na za 1000, 1350, 1550, 1650, 1750. Yani tuko na tu a lot in stock. Hata contact papers tuko nazo za 700. Yes.
So, reason ya kuweka hii wallpaper than panels ni gani?
Reason ya kuweka hii wallpaper kwanza before panels ni ati time yenye unataka kumove out itakuwa easier for you because glue ya flute panels it's very strong and it can damage the wall, so time una move out unatoa tu hizo flute panels, wallpaper itabaki, but now if you want to like peel it off you have to use hot water and hot water na alafu to peel, so itakuwa easier na haita damage wall. Yes.
So bado unaweza itoa?
Bado unaweza itoa.
As in ina cater everyone?
Yes, it's rental friendly.
What I'm doing here is that I'm applying the contact glue on the undersurface of the panel that is going to be installed stuck on the wall.
Nay! For sure. And guys, this is the glue. Right here. Contour adhesive. I don't know if you can see.
I bet you're wondering what this is. This is called the MDF, which is used to support the UV board. Now the UV board is gonna come on top of this. It's usually used to support the TV, like where the TV is gonna be, which is in the middle. So we have some other wood, pieces of wood behind. So this one is gonna support the UV board and the TV.
What process are you on?
You just tell me. I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby.
Here is the finished product, and let's hear the reviews. Mama Chamke.
So guys, the product Loi, it's very interesting, beautiful, cute. As you can see,
Unazimika inawaka.
Acha niwashe tu imewaka.
Yeah.
So, me I just doing nipige nini, but sikuwa najua itakaa hivi smart TV.
I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you
time, I take hata days. Unakuja ukishachukua appointment unakuja unameshewa. Alafu hiyo siku na kufanya kazi ni haraka tu. Unapata kitu safi kama hii sasa ya Mziza. Tunangojea tunakaa to visit muione.
Watulize plug.
Plug hii mtauliza plug hii. Hii lazima mtauliza plug.
Na plug
wapeleka
Robert Hatching wallpapers.
Yeah, big up.
The best.
Thank you.
The best of the tuseme Robert Hatching wallpapers siku zombo.